fix Threads Bookmark feature not saving posts. So to fix the Threads Bookmark feature when it fails to save posts, what you can do is refresh or restart. Open your Threads app, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle, and then swipe away the Threads app from your multitasking screen and reopen it. Now the next thing what you can do is check the connection. Scroll down the control center from the top of your screen, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a temporary network timeout isn't blocking the save request. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the cache or offload. Clear the app cache on your Android or offload the app on iOS via your phone's system settings. Now on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to your phone settings, then tap on general, now tap on iPhone storage, now find the Threads app from the list or tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for Threads. Then tap upload app, then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button here. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Threads app and reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.